In a heartfelt gesture to promote ecotourism, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma embarked on a scenic morning trek through the Rhododendron Raya Trail in Upper Shillong on Monday. Winding through stretches of lush greenery and vibrant blooms, the trail is not only a visual delight but also a cradle of endemic plant species and rich historical significance. Sharing glimpses of his journey on social media, the Chief Minister called it a must experience for all nature lovers. He also experienced gratitude to his tour guide, Gregory, his guide for the day, for his in-depth narration of trail's heritage and natural importance. The trek, lasting about 2.5 hours, offered a much-needed moment of peace amid Meghalaya's bustling capital, showcasing yet again why this hill state remains an untouched paradise for the soul.
And Mr. Reddy, I've been told that this area and this forest has got some very, very unique species of trees.
Sir.
So is that true?
It's very true, sir. In fact, this part of Meghalaya has been recognized as cradle of endemic species by J.D. Hooker way back in 1850s when he documented. And we find that many of the endemic tree species, plant species found here, even rhododendron species or betula species, several species, sir, we just have few specimens of the world left here. They're preserved.
Wow.
So they are endemic species on the verge of extinction, but we have tried, Forest Department tried its best to maintain pristineness of the area so that those species which are so rare and threatened.
So our PES program is also helping
yes, sir,
us to maintain this, right?
A PS program we will start implementing, sir, and then
in this area also.
Yes, in this area also, sir.
But we have already covered 55,000 hectares.
Sir.
Our target is 1 lakh now.
Sir,
so in that 1 lakh, we should include all of this.
We'll include all this, sir.
So Greg, what are anything special you want to mention about this particular trek?
This trek is about 4 kilometers long approximately, and it falls under the Forest Department. That's why it's been preserved well. And this trek is very well known for the locals. A lot of locals in the weekends, they come here to just walk, jog. Even this morning, a lot of people we saw walking around. And also this trail is also really upcoming for cyclists. A lot of people like to ride their cycles here. So it's a really good trail that we have very close to Shillong. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So we are here today in the Rhododendron Trek, and we are here with a full team just going through this entire historic trek. As you know that this has been a route which has been used even by the British in the earlier times, and it's in a way a very not only just a beautiful trek, but it's a very historic trek. On the way you would actually see bunkers that were used during the World War, which are still visible and can be seen very clearly. We also have seen walls that have been created during the British time. These are retaining walls, very, very systematically done. And again, another historic location. And more importantly, if you see the entire flora and fauna out here and overall the kind of greenery that's there, it's really a beautiful area to trek, especially right in the, you can say, heart of the city. And it's a very important source, of course, of the water also, and the quality of air in Shillong. So therefore, it's a very important location, beautiful trek. And I must encourage all of you, the citizens of the state as well as the tourists, to please come and experience this particular trek. You will really, really enjoy it. It's very beautiful and a great experience.